Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of home remedies. Ever wondered how to boost your hair growth using simple remedies you can whip up at home? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some amazing solutions that'll have your hair flowing like a river. These remedies are not only effective, but also super easy to incorporate into your routine. First up, let's talk about the magical powers of coconut oil. This natural elixir has been a staple in hair care for centuries. It's got all the essential fatty acids and vitamins to nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair. Plus, it smells amazing. Just warm it up a bit, massage it into your scalp, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes before you rinse. You can even leave it overnight for a deeper treatment. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Regular use can lead to softer, shinier, and more manageable hair. Next on the list is onion juice. Yes, you heard that right. Onion juice. I know, it sounds a bit intense, but hear me out. The benefits are worth the initial hesitation. Onions are rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen production, and that's a big win for hair growth. Collagen is essential for the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Juice a few onions, apply the juice to your scalp, leave it for about 15 minutes, and wash it out. The smell might be strong, but the results are stronger. Sure, it might make you cry, but it's worth it. Many people swear by this remedy for its effectiveness. Now, let's not forget about the wonders of aloe vera. This plant is a powerhouse of benefits. This plant is not just soothing, but it's a fantastic source of proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also helps to balance the pH level of the scalp. Simply scoop out the gel from an aloe leaf and apply it directly to your scalp. You can also mix it with a few drops of essential oil for added benefits. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse. Your scalp will feel cool and refreshed. Aloe vera is refreshing and will leave your scalp feeling revitalized. It's a great way to soothe any irritation and dryness. Another gem is the good old egg mask. This one is a classic for a reason. Eggs are packed with protein and biotin, both essential for healthy hair. They help to strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. Just mix one egg with a tablespoon of olive oil, apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for about 20 minutes, and rinse with cool water. This mask will leave your hair feeling soft and nourished. It's like a protein-packed smoothie for your hair. And finally, green tea. This one might surprise you. Not only is it great for sipping, but it's also fantastic for promoting hair growth. The antioxidants in green tea are powerful. Brew a strong cup of green tea, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. This can help to stimulate hair follicles and boost growth. The antioxidants in green tea help boost hair growth and prevent hair loss. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a regular part of your hair care routine. These remedies won't work overnight, but with time and patience, you'll likely see some impressive results. Stick with it and be patient. So give these home remedies a shot and let your hair grow in all its natural glory. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more DIY tips and tricks. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, happy hair growing. Take care and keep experimenting with these wonderful